Welcome back. Home Minister Ravi Naik admitted that since the year 2000, police department has failed to dispose the seized drugs. Naik said that since the inception of the Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Disposal Committee, there is no proper documentation of seized drugs available with the department.
कितको ड्रग सेज केला वो 2008, 2009 and 2010, 39, 43 आणि 7, almost 90 किलो. म्हाका मिनिस्टरान स्पेसिफीक उत्तर दिवचें की म्हजे हांवें जे विचारलां की हे ड्रग्स आहा पळय ते तुमी कशें डिस्ट्रक्शन केलां आनी लास्ट डिस्पोजल जे जालां तें केन्ना केलां, डेट दी म्हाका.
गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ इंडियाची स्टँडिंग ऑर्डर आसा.
ती आसा.
येस तेजे अंडर एक कमिटी केल्ली आसा अंडर येस DIG आनी म्हाका आफ्टर 2000 म्हणजे 2000 जेन्ना ती कमिटी केल्ली आसा तेन्नाच्यान म्हाका ड्रग्साची डिस्ट्रॉय करपाची एकूय जावना एकूय जावना आनी तितूनचे मातशें आतां ते जे फायंड आवट करता की ते ड्रग्स तितूनचे मातशें मिसींग जावंक शकता ते स्टोर जो आसता स्टोरांक तेका लागून ते फायंड आवट करता.
स्पीकर सर केन्ना म्हटलें
जातकूच
ही जी कमिटी जाल्या तेन्नाच्यान कांय आमकां रिकॉर्ड मेळना तेंच्यान 2000च्यान.
हय
सर 2000च्या पळयता तितून कितले स्टोर आशिल्ले तितून कितले ड्रग्स आसा रेजिस्टर सारको मेंटेन करुना रेजिस्टर मेंटेन करपाची गरज आसा आनी रिकॉर्ड आसा ते ड्रग्स कितें आसा काय थंय ना जाल्यार स्टोरांक ते चेकीन चाललेलें आसा.
स्पीकर सर
कमिटी
हे कितकें म्हाका दिसता मिनिस्टर जे उत्तर दिता हेतून हे सरकार आनी मंत्री सिरियस आसा अशें दिसना. हांवें जे 2 वर्सांचें जे इन्फॉर्मेशन विचारलेलें हांगर म्हाका 90 किलो जाल्लो अशें म्हणटा आनी 2000 आज जवळ जवळ 10 वर्सां जालीं आनी 10 वर्सां पासून हे डिस्ट्रक्शन जावंक ना. जे ड्रग्स हे खंय आहा खंय थेयला ते सेक्युअर्ड प्लेसीचेर थेयला खंय आसा हे ड्रग्स
ना तेजे रिकॉर्ड्स चेकींग चालू आसा. तो बुकूय आसा तो रेजिस्टर जो बूक आसा तो आनी रिस्टोर हे सगळें चेकींग चालू आसा आनी लास्ट मिटींग आनी येतली तेवूय मागीर तुमकां मागीर सांगता.
Our principal correspondent Murari Shetty with video journalist Anil Sanadi.
Israeli drug peddler Atala, who is in judicial custody, attacked a photojournalist in Panji. Atala was seen with 3 police constables making a phone call at a local STD booth near National Theatre. DIG Ravindra Yadav said that Atala has got permission from the jailer to call his family and hence it is permitted to call from a local STD booth.
The Israeli drug peddler Atala at present is in judicial custody. Atala was seen making a call at a STD booth in the vicinity of National Theatre. Not just that, when few photojournalists tried to clip them in their camera, Atala attacked the journalists and abused them.
3 जाण कॉन्स्टेबल आसलो सादे वेसन आसले ते आनी कोण नासले आनी ते ताका चडशे कवरेज करताले कवर करून दवरताले आनी फोटो काडपाक मेळनासलो म्हण हांव सायडीकसून असो ते शॉपा कडेन गेलो आनी पुलिसांनी तो फोन करता तो फोटो काडपाक म्हणून गेलो जाल्यार तेणी दिसतूच म्हाका पळयलो आनी झप्प करून ते फोन सोमतोच आंगार धांवून येयलो म्हाज्या आनी म्हाका गाळी बी सरलो. हांव थंयच्यान सायडीक सरलो झप्प करून सायडीक सरलो आनी बुरशे गाळी सवपाक लागले आनी मेन म्हणजे इंग्लीश सोडून कोंकणीनूय गाळी सवपाक लागलो कारण ताका कोंकणी बरी येता कोंकणीन बऱ्यो गाळी सवपाक लागलो आनी परत कितें म्हणपाक लागले पूण कॉन्स्टेबलांनी काय म्हणा आनी परत एक कितें जालें की कॉन्स्टेबल ताका खूब कवरेज करताले लिपयताले आनी गर्दी जाली इतकेंच फक्त आंगार येयलो म्हाज्या धांवोन मारपाक म्हणून. हय घेवपाकूच जाय. आतां इतके सगळे दक्षिण गोव्याक हें जाता एटॅक जाता जर्नलिस्टांचेर आनी आतां परत आयज हें जालां आनी इतकेंच तेज्या खातीर पुलिसांनी एक्शन घेवपाची.
Now the question is, who was Atala calling and who permitted him to be out of the custody? After the entire drug expose, is police still hand in gloves with the drug mafia? Seeking answers to these questions, we spoke to DIG Ravindra Yadav and he said that Atala was granted permission by the jailer to call his family members. He said, Atala is in judicial custody. Jailer allowed call to his family. Escorts provided on the orders by the jailer. Handcuffs not permitted by the court. No untoward incident occurred. Our reporter in Panji Devidas Kamli with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi.
Chief Minister Digambar Kamath has given an assurance of completing the draft regional plan 2021 within the next 6 months. The CM made the statement in the assembly after the Goa Bachao Abhiyan met him at his residence at Madgaon.
Goa Bachao Abhiyan today met the Chief Minister at his residence at Madgaon. The delegation of Village Group, led by GBA member Sabina Martins, questioned the CM on the reason for taking back his assurances on completion of Regional Plan 2021. They also raised the issue of construction in eco-sensitive zones, mega projects and hill cutting. Then later in the day, the CM stated on the floor of the House that his government will try and complete the regional plan in 6 months. He also added that he would try to release the plans of talukas as soon as they are ready.
There are examples of many such panchayats where panchayat has submitted one plan, Gram Sabha has submitted one plan. So we had to even authenticate those plans through the BDO. We didn't take just simply the plans on record. We had to take these on authenticated through BDOs. All the plans were authenticated by BDOs. And our effort will be to try and somehow or other see we can complete this work by 6 months, within a period of 6 months. We will try. Slight delay जावपाक शकता. But at the same time we are also trying to see ज्या तालुक्यांनी व्हडलीशी controversy ना त्या तालुक्याचे plan जर तयार जायत, we will release those plans first, so that at least those talukas people know what is the position.
GBA member Sabina Martins said that the GBA has welcomed the CM's assurance in the assembly. However, she was unhappy as the CM left for Madgaon without waiting for a scheduled meeting at Altino.
Today morning, GBA and village groups met the Chief Minister at his residence, and we demanded from him an explanation as to why he did not stick to the time frame which he had committed to the people. So he said that he will give us the plan in 6 months, to which we told him that he should make a statement in the assembly. We appreciate that the Chief Minister has given the statement in the assembly.
Our reporters Sameer Bhatt, Devidas Kamli with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi.
The Rajiv Gandhi Renewable Energy Education Park, which was believed to be completed within 18 months from the time of commencement, is lying unattended. Unfortunately, the 2.25 crore project is overlooked by the authorities.
The first of its kind non-conventional energy project, Rajiv Gandhi Renewable Energy Educational Park, is left unnoticed by the authorities. The foundation stone for the project was laid on 20th August in Madgaon. It's more than 6 months and no work has commenced at the site. The estimated cost of the project is a whopping 2.25 crores. The sole purpose of the project was to acquaint students with the process of converting solar energy into electricity. A huge part of land was acquired by the government for this project at Madgaon, but one can see the land desolated. No sooner the Chief Minister laid the foundation stone for the project, the board was defaced by some miscreants. Our reporter in Madgaon, Sameer Bhatt.
Time now for a short break. Stay tuned for more news.